Janmarg BRTS. Janmarg, which literally means People's Way, is a citizen-centric initiative for moving people and not on individual vehicles. It is a one-of-its-kind rapid transit system for enabling citizens to travel in a safe and secure mode that's reliable, affordable, convenient and comfortable. Janmarg BRTS is not just a corridor, but a scalable network. It is not about creating a public transport infrastructure, but a core part of an integrated strategy to enhance the quality of commuting. The 89-kilometer Janmarg BRTS network would connect the railway station and the central city with outlying industrial, institutional and residential. A lifeline comprising elements that are world-class and state-of-the-art. Peak hour frequency of 2.5 minutes between buses. 2 median bus lanes. Split flyovers. Tree-lined corridors. Roadside resting benches. Dedicated cycle tracks, service lanes and well-lit pedestrian paths. Swanky bus stations with sensor-driven automatic doors. High-floor Euro 3 and Euro 4 certified 80-passenger capacity buses. Specially designed buses with 2 wide central doors. RFID-based perfect docking alignment for easy boarding and alighting. Convenient access for the visually and physically challenged. Off-board smart ticketing. Smart cards for frequent commuters. Special cards for senior citizens, students and visually challenged. Electronic passenger information system and public announcement systems.
Next Janmarg station is Anjali.
GPS console for real-time tracking of bus movements. Color-coded special uniforms for BRTS staff. Full-fledged driver and staff training and assessment programs. Immaculately trained and service-oriented drivers. State-of-the-art control center and extensive use of IT applications for automatic vehicle tracking and monitoring. High-tech surveillance, operation control, real-time passenger information system, traffic management, electronic fare collection. And what's clearly evident is the new and professional management culture that has seeped in solely due to the creation of the Ahmedabad Janmarg Limited, a special purpose vehicle and a dedicated company to manage and operate the BRTS. Yet another unique facet of the system is the public-private partnership model under which a gross cost contract is designed, which includes incentives and penalties to govern the operations for a wide array of functions, including bus ownership and operations, fare collection, bus station cleaning and maintenance, pay and park facilities, landscape development.
नहीं नरेंद्र मोदी इनके बारे में उनका काम बहुत ही अच्छा है, भले वो अलग पक्ष के हो, उनकी और हमारी आइडियोलॉजी अलग हो, लेकिन जो काम अच्छा है उसका अच्छा ही